Cathy McCallum is one of our longest serving Waterwatch members. She's been with us for over 17 years, a really valued Waterwatch volunteer, and came the time when she was going to be moving away from the district, and she didn't want to just hand her kit back to us and move on. She wanted to make sure that the kit went on to somebody else who could keep monitoring the same site and keep up the good work that she'd done. Cathy was a teacher at the Baringup Primary School, which is sadly now closed. But with her background in teaching, she led the River Detectives program, which is the educational arm of the Waterwatch program. Cathy had a couple of new recruits in mind that she contacted to see if they might like to take over the Waterwatch banner for her. So it was Cathy's connection to the local primary school that led to finding these teenage brothers from Baringup, Lane and Taj, who were just as passionate about the health of the Loddon River as she was. Lane and Taj participated in the River Detectives program with Cathy for several of their primary school years. Lane in particular is a really keen angler, and he's got his sights set on a career in the fisheries industry, so he really knows the importance of good water quality. And yeah, they're both really excited to take over the reins and follow in the footsteps of Cathy as Waterwatch volunteers, keeping a watchful eye on the health of the Loddon River in Baringup.